Okay, okay, guys, you can guess any thing about what is mean by footprint. Guys, any guesses? We have passed for we are entered up to 15 days classes. Yeah, it's right. It's up to 15 days right now. Hello, guys. Give some. Now, Srikanth, now it's audible. Hello.
Tell me about.
Okay, okay. If any other deviation in my voice, please tell me. I will change my location. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay. I don't know nothing.
Okay, okay. Okay, guys, today let us see about what is the uh, thing which we have seen in footprint. Okay, how to create footprint, what are the requirements for the footprint. Okay, in today's class, let us from yesterday class, there is a lot of things like 1 second. Digital electronics. Okay. Okay, guys, let us share screen here. Okay, to understand what is uh, now it's visible, guys. Yeah, okay. This is the DigiKey website where the all components have a, different types of input footprint values. Okay, for example, give me any other value. Okay, for example, let us take the one chip or any other. Okay, okay, let us check here, which means so first of all, we take a footprint for a SOT. Okay, SOT means small outline transistor. SOT. Uh, T, how to okay, guys, here just take SST, which means now it's visible, visible to you. Okay, here it is the name. Okay, which means it is a part number for the uh, component. Okay, at the same time, we want to enter that exact part number to the digit key. Control V. Okay, then you can select. Here we can see the data sheet. Yeah, you can visible. It is the image of the component. Okay, here in this area we can see the data sheet. Okay, okay. First of all, in today's class, I think so. Nivasan told how to create. Yeah, but he does not create. Yeah, right, guys. Shankar, sorry, Srikanth.
Yes.
Srikanth, Nivasan told how to create, but he does not create and show you. Yeah.
I think SMD registers, capacitors, and all we have created.
Okay.
Transistor is not created.
Okay, okay, no issue. So today's classes and tomorrow we can see the what are the other components and how to create the component for other parts. Okay.
So,
Okay. Here, let us take that. It has how many pins here? சரி இல்லாட்டி உள்ள போய் உட்காந்துக்கிட்டா அத்தை உள்ள போய் உட்காந்துக்கிட்டா ஆஹா சரி 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 okay, here it has a three pins, yeah, which is known as here pin 1, 2 and 3, okay, which means A, K and K. Here the third pin also named as a K, which means totally it has 2 pins, but another pin also denoted as a pin number 2, okay. Guys, it is a data sheet for the component, okay, and these are the graph VI characteristics. Guys, you know what is meant by VI characteristics? VI characteristics means, guys, you know, each component has a VI characteristics. Based on the VI characteristics, we can choose the component. Okay, these type of analysis are done in your industrial oriented. Okay, here, guys, I want to mention that this is the package detail. Okay, once you got thorough in the analyzing of these data, which has like that, here you can see what is the length. Okay, length of the pin. Length means width. Here it is known as width. It is known as height or length. Height or length. Yeah. Based on that, here it also differ. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, here it is nothing but it is the entire chips, okay, which means components length, okay, and it is a component width and it is a length, okay. Okay, one second, I think so one person is waiting, yeah. No one is there. Okay. Yeah, it's visible now. Guys, now the screen is okay. Okay, guys, now the data sheet you can see, yeah, right? I think so. Okay. Here it is the length of the component and width of the component. Okay. Here it is a total width of the component and also the length. Okay. Mainly these type of information can be required as for the installation, creation of the footprint. Okay. It is also the height of the pins from the pad to the which means here to here it is referred as the height of the pins. Okay. Okay, it is a side view of the pin, it is a top view. Okay, there is no issue. So side view means it is visible in this area. Top view is from the upper zone, side view is visible from the this area. Okay, these are the entire data sheet. Okay, here it is some of the current which is driven in the compound. Okay. Okay, once you want to check the part number and you can start creating the footprint. Okay, guys, one second, I will open the Altium and let us create. Guys, now I share you the screen, which means what are the things that are useful for the PCB design. Okay. Once again, PCB design is nothing but a footprint creation. Okay. Once I share the window. Okay. Okay. Now it's visible. Now it's visible, guys. Okay. 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 Here. let us once we have entered the, you want to create a new project and you want to create let us teach you how to create a PCB library. Library is nothing but creation of what? Which means creation of, once you enter this window, which means creation of enter into the PCB library, there is a top and it is a different types of tool. Okay, here tool design project like once you click the tool here you can see that tool once you enter the tool you have a footprint wizard. Yeah, in footprint wizard you can able to create your own symbols. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, Nivasan can teach you. Okay, till this Nivasan can teach you. Once you enter the footprint wizard, then it should be show that what is the type of the footprint package. Yeah, guys. Yesterday you missed the class. Okay, Ajit, you can remember yesterday class you are in the class. Yeah, on the day yesterday I would explain you what is meant by ball grid array. Yeah, ball grid array means the pins are in ball shape in the bottom side of the compound. Okay, in a array structure. Okay, capacitor is nothing but on our capacitor. Diode is like same. Dual inline package. Guys, yesterday I detailed explained that what is the DIP, which means dual inline package. No issues if you miss the classes, means the link should be shared, okay, in the group, and then you can rework about it. Okay, at the same time another one is a edge connector. Edge connector is a single side connectors, and LCC. LCC means nothing but a leadless chip carriers. And the next one is pin grid array. Pin grid array is similar to the ball grid array. Okay, BGA, and a quad flat nodes and resistors. Okay, it is a S resistors. Okay, in these we can consider of a resistors and a small. Yesterday I tell you SOP. Yeah, small outlet package, and SOT is for small outline transistor. Okay, here we can't see the SOT. Okay, in our compared to our footprint of the component, it is a SOT substance. Okay, SOT means small outline transistor, but small outline transistor is not here. Okay, how to we can do it? Any guess? Okay, it is not to be guess. Okay, here once you touch the tool, here it is a IPC compliant footprint wizard. Yeah, once enter you want to enter this step. Okay, IPC, then there is a IPC complaint footprint wizard. Okay, these footprint wizard have a entire type of packages within it. Okay, once you get enter, okay, here you can see more number of chips here. Okay, chipsets. Name here you can see that name. Okay, in the name you can see that I have BGA ball grid array, BQFN bumpered quad flat package, like that and all. Okay, once you can verify it, you have a QFN quad flat knowledge. Here you can see that SOT. Okay, okay guys, it is a SOT. SOT 2 to 3 or 2 3. Okay, once we want to guys, once again I will share you the second. Guys, once you enter this here, you can see what type of package it is. This is SST500 series, but which type of package is it is? We can see that once you search, it is visible to you. Okay, it is SOT or SOP223 and all. Okay, here guys you can see that SOT233. Okay, 233 means it has a same type of thing in here. Okay, guys, one second, I will send you the RTM. Okay. Okay, here guys you can see that SOT, guys, it is visible now. Guys, give some feedback whether it's visible or not. Okay. Here you can see that SOT 223. Okay. Once you can enter, you have to double tap that. Okay. Once you select, you can press the next, which is sorry guys. Here you want to next. Okay. Once you want to select which type of package you want. Okay. Once you have selected, then press the next button, which is placed at the bottom. Okay. Next. Place next. Okay. Sorry, there is some issue. Okay. Guys, here it is a page which is opened. Okay. Here we can see that what are the number of pins, which means EDD, or how the number of pins are here. Okay. Once again, number of slits here. Yeah, you can see that how many number of slits. Okay. Once you want to press 3. Okay, because we have a 3 pin. Okay. Here guys, you can see that body with range. Okay, body with range E1. Okay, E1 is guys, I can't able to zoom it because it is tool does not have been zoom. Okay, here guys, E1. Okay, here the value is asked by a E1. Okay, E1 is nothing but a width of the component inside. Okay, width of the component. Okay, width of the component within the not including the pins. Okay, let us see what is the width of the component in the data sheet. Okay, guys, it is visible or not? Not visible. Okay.
Sir, entire screen is open, sir.
Oh, only black screen is visible. Yeah, blank screen.
Come on, sir.
Oh. Okay. Once again, I will turn on my entire screen, then it's visible or not. Okay. Shankar, நீங்க unmute இருங்க. ஓகேவா? Okay. சங்கர், இப்ப தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு?
தெரியுது.
இல்ல, இப்போ அந்த ஒரு tab ஓபன் ஆயிருக்கு, தெரியுதா?
இல்லைங்க சார், அதெல்லாம் தெரியல. இப்ப நீங்க ஃபுட்பிரிண்ட் கிரியேஷன் அதுக்குள்ள அந்த இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது மட்டும் தான் தெரியுது. நீங்க மத்த என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. சர்க்கரையே இருக்கணும்.
அப்படியா? ஃபுட்பிரிண்ட்க்குள்ள எல்லாம் வரதே தெரியலையா? ஓகே.
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும் இது நீங்க பாருங்க.
எதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு டூல சொல்றீங்களா?
ஸ்டாப் ஷேரிங் கொடுத்து மறுபடியும் இது பண்ணுங்க.
டேரக்டா it's presenting or not? Now guys,
இப்போ தெரியும்.
இப்போ அதே மாதிரி தான் தெரியுதா, இல்லை ஏதாவது டேப் ஓப்பன் ஆகிருக்க மாதிரி தெரியுதா?
இல்ல, டேப் ஓபன் ஆயிருக்கு.
பட் விண்டோ ஓகே. ஓகே, இல்லை நம்ம வந்து ஜூம் மீட்டிங்கில் கனெக்ட் ஆகணுமா? ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு நான் லிங்க் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ரெக்கார்ட் ஆனது வந்து அதுலேயே இருக்கட்டும். இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ஃபர்தராக உங்களுக்கு ஜூம் மீட்டிங் 2 minutes மட்டும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் லிங்க் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகேவா? Okay, the screen will be visible to you. Okay, wow.
Okay.
Once you want to get enter to the screen, you want to move to the next button here in the window. Yeah. Click the next button. Here, next. Okay. Here the side way which has a n number of names. Okay. Names is nothing but a package. Okay. உங்களுக்கு வந்து என்ன பேக்கேஜ் வேணுங்கிறது வந்து சைடில் ஷோ ஆகும். ஓகேவா?
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஸ்க்ரோல் பண்ணுங்க, மேலே மேலே ஸ்க்ரோல் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ இதில் SOT 233 இருக்க ஒரு பேக்கேஜ். ஓகே. ஹியர் தொடுங்க. அதை தொடுங்க. ஏன் இதை தொடரணும்னா இப்போ வந்து ஏன்னா என் ஸ்க்ரீனை வந்து இப்போ பாருங்க, நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன்.
டேய் என் பேக்கை திறந்தீனா
ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு இது விசிபிள் ஆகுதா? ஆகுதா? இப்போ நீங்க இதுல என்னென்னலாம் உங்களுக்கு எடுக்கணும்னா SOTங்கிறது இதுதான். ஓகேவா? இங்க மேல எழுதியிருக்கா SOT 233. யா, இதான் செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்க பேக்கேஜ். ஓகேவா? இதோட லென்த் வேணும், லென்த் ஆஃப் த காம்போனன்ட், width ஆஃப் த காம்போனன்ட், லென்த் ஆஃப் த காம்போனன்ட், பின்னோட ஷேப். நீங்க மைக் ஓகே. நான் சொல்றதை மட்டும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கங்க. ஓகேவா? இது this is the width of the component and this is the length and it is the length of the one pin. Okay. Okay. We want to need this. Okay. For that I will enter the screenshot to the group. Okay. Once you can detailly okay. ஓகே, நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஸ்க்ரீனை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஷேரில் தானே இருக்குது. ஒரு வெயிட் பண்ணுங்கள், நான் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறேன், உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஓகேவா? என்டையராக ஸ்டாப் ஆகிடுச்சோ. இப்போ உங்கள் ஸ்க்ரீனை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகேவா? ஓகே. ஹியர் நெக்ஸ்ட் கொடுங்க. ஒன்ஸ் யூ கிளிக் த பேக்கேஜ் யூ வாண்ட் டு press the next. Okay. You can see the outline of the structure. Okay. Here first one is body with range. Yeah, right, is right. Body with range E1. Okay. In the image here in the right side, okay, there is a top view and side view. Yeah, right. Top view and side view. Here here it is a E1. Okay. E1 is a width of the component. Okay. Let I show you that E1 from my side screen now. Please enter Shankar, please enter the E1 minimum. Yeah, there are E1 range minimum. Shankar, yeah, in that minimum 3.3. Yeah, it's defaultly have. Okay, wait, backspace the only number, not mm. Okay, backspace only, backspace. Okay, here according to our data sheet there is a minimum is 1.20 mm. Please enter 1.20 mm. Shankar. Okay, once you entered, okay. Next, below that there is a below that there is a maximum value. Yeah, it's right. Maximum. For that maximum, please enter 1.40 mm. Double tap and 1.40 mm. 40 mm. Okay. The another one is body length. Yeah, which means which is denoted as L1. Okay, wait a second. I also take that what number. Okay, it does not see you clearly, but also the the persons who are get absent also want to learn. Okay, the body length range, it's D. Yeah, D means it is denoted as a y-axis. Yeah, y-axis, only y-axis of the component. So based on our data sheet, the length of the component is denoted as a Shankar, please enter two minimum. Yeah, there is a two different area also shown. Yeah, right. Please enter D length, body length range is minimum as a 3 mm. Okay, not 3. I will tell you 2.8 mm, 2.80 mm. Okay, please enter 2.80 mm. Okay, I also mentioned here. Okay, don't know issue for the better experience. 1.20, other one is a 1.40. Okay, then the body length. Okay, body length is represented as a 2.80. It's minimum. Okay, once you get entered, Shankar, 1.80, and second one is maximum is 3.04 is a maximum. Okay, body length. Okay, body length range 3.04, not 4, 3.4, 3.04 mm. Okay, okay. Another one is a maximum height A. Okay, the fourth option, third option is a maximum height A. Guys, you can remember what is meant by height. Shankar, here the height is denoted as a what 1 second, the height is denoted as a 0.1. Okay, 0.1 is enough, because other than the 0.1 you can't able to have. Okay, maximum number is 0.1. Please enter the maximum height is 0.1 mm. Okay, not to enter 1 mm, 0.1 mm. Okay, A1 is sorry guys, A is a chip's total height, A1 is a 0.1 mm. Sorry. Okay, 0.1. Okay, Shankar, please change that. The maximum standoff height A1 is a 0.01. Okay, one second guys, total height of the component is please enter 1.12. Okay, it's only one. Also enter 1.12 as a height. A1 is a 0. I think so. By analyzing the data sheet, the length of the pin from here to here is a 0.1. Okay, so 0.1 is added to the standoff height here. 0.12 means the total length of the chip is 0.22. Okay, so enter the total length as a 1.22 mm, which means a total length of the component. But here you want to enter that second, yeah, only pin size is a 0.1 mm. Okay, what are you doing now? Okay, okay, Shankar, நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த ஹைட் ஏன்னு இருக்குல்ல, அதில் வந்து 1.22 போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா, 1.22 போட்டுக்கோங்க. கீழே இருக்கிறதுல வந்து 0.1 mm போட்டுக்கோங்க. 0.1 mm. Okay, once you can refer the video, உங்களுக்கு வந்து தெரியும் அது எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ணுறது. ஓகேவா, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ப்ரெஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்தோடனே உங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறையா லார்ஜ் செட்டிங்ஸாக இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு. இப்போ மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கங்க, உங்களுக்கு நாய்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா இன்னும் நீங்கள் மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஹலோ Shankar? Okay, side noise is okay. Here first one you can see that lead with lead with range B. Okay, during the visibling of footprint here, the diagram, the B is represented as a width of the pin. Okay, pin 1. Okay, here width of the pin is a B. So let us see the data sheet. Means the width of the single pin is denoted as a 0.37. Okay, 0.37 as a minimum. Okay, please enter 0.37. 0.37 for the first pin, and the maximum is looks like a 0.51. Okay, 0.51 mm. 0.51. Okay, the area is next, which mean represent as a B2. Okay, like B1 normal B2 as a represent as a thickness of the side, which means a large pin. Okay, for that I will say that what is mean by length. Length is nothing but it is also same. Pin 1, pin 2 and pin 3 is the same. Okay, so you can enter the both, because here they will give the only 0.33 here, but here also the difference is not, and the difference is also similar. So we does not want to add another or a extra value for the pin 2 and pin 3. So we also take the same value for the pin 3. Okay, so we want to enter the same value, which means 0.37 and 0.51. Okay, another one is length. Okay, length of the pins, length of the individual pins. Okay, the length is denoted here as guys, the length of the pad. Okay, length of the pad or pin, okay, is represented here as 0.55. Okay, please enter that length is as 0.55. Minimum also 0.55. Okay, okay. Okay, pitch is differ here. The pitch is represented as a E is represented as a pitch. Pitch means pad to pad spacing. The spacing between the pin 1's pad and pin 2 pad, center to center spacing. Mostly the spacing is up to 1.27 only. Okay, not 1.27. Here it is vary. Okay, the spacing is 1.78. Okay, please enter 1.78. Okay, here here also you can enter please 1.78, because E1 and E is not similar, because we have only 2. Okay, there is a no variation. Okay, here also you can please mention at 1.78, but here lead span range, which means entire component length is here asking. Okay, entire component length is denoted as a 2.10 minimum. 2.10, please enter 2.10 minimum. 2.10 and the maximum is a 2.6. I think so, 2.6. Once you check, yeah, 2.64. Okay, please enter 2.64. Okay, the total number of pin is here. Okay, 2 point entire is 2.64. There is no issue. The same time, create, once you can get the the right side there is a footprint is creating step by step. Okay, once you have next means there is a area should be visualized. Here we does not have any type of work. Okay, please press next. Okay, in next also these also we does not have any other here next what Shankar, next Shankar, next but Shankar, you have done a small mistake. Okay, the step procedure is correct, but while seeing the recorded session you can rectify your errors. Okay, next please be next skill screen width. Okay, skill screen width is nothing but here R1 and R2 please enter that skill screen width as a 2.2. okay, but please cancel and estimate that it is 1 mm and 1 mm or we want to the yellow color line outside the PCB. So we want to we take off 3 mm. It's also okay, 3 is not okay, you can place that or 4.5 I think so. Okay, 4.5 is yeah, but R2 is should be also 4. Yeah, now the skill screen is placed perfectly. Okay, you want to R1 Shankar place that R1 value use calculated skill screen dimension and click that and you can able to edit. In that R1 value is 4.5 and R2 value is 4 mm. Okay, then you can create next. Okay, in next you can have some line width. Okay, V1 V2 and like that all these lines should be does not have it's only the requirement of the design only. If you have the length is small means you can editable. Okay, then there is a if there is a no issue then you can't do anything. Can't means you will not do anything. Okay, the finally you have next there is a final stage. Okay, existing PCB file or new PCB file or step file and all these and all based on your requirements. Okay, a new PCB file. Okay, new PCB file, the name, enter the name, which means I enter that control V can't able to SOT. One second, save the file as SOT233L. Okay, next, please be next, finish, create finish. Okay guys, here you can see that the footprint for the SOT. Okay guys, once I will check you the okay, Shankar, you can understand but Shankar, your small mistake, it's my mistake. Okay, I does not tell you that please change the pin number as a 2. Okay, that's only the mistake. Okay, no issues, further you can be ready. Okay, please once I can't able to share the screen. Okay, your screen your sharing is okay, but while you creating the footprint here, right, on the time you want to please make ensure that how many number of pins also. Okay, if you enter as a 2 pin 3 pin means there is a left side as a 2 pin and right side as a only 1 pin, which is a pin number 3. Okay, no issues. Now I will share your screen. Now the screen should be visible, I think so. Okay, Shankar, you can unmute your mic.
Sir.
ஓகே, இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து தெரியும் பாருங்க. ஓகேவா, இப்போ தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? தெரியுது. இப்போ நான் வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வந்து பின்
இதுல 3 பின் இருக்கு, இதுல 4 பின்.
அதுதான் உங்ககிட்ட நான் சொல்ல மறந்துட்டேன். அதில் வந்து நீங்கள் பின் நம்பர் வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? ஓகே. இதில் வந்து நம்மளோட இப்போ பாருங்கள், நான் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகேவா? இப்போது இதுவும் ஒன் செகண்ட். ஷேர் ஆகுது உங்களுக்கு? ஓ சாரி. ஓ சாரி. Okay, no issues. Once again, now I'll காட்டுறேன். Guys, now you can listen that it is a shape of our chip. Okay, here in this shape, here it is a 2 pin and it is a 3 pin. Okay, here we mentioned as a length of the chip, width of the chip and length, and it is a spacing length of the pin. Okay, there is a length and width of the all pins are same because it is a 3 pin. Based on the visualization we can guess that. Okay, and it is a height of the entire chip. Okay, these consider that it is a chip and our created chip also same or not. Okay, checking that. Guys, okay. Now you can see the shape of the pin also here. It is the spacing between spaces between the chip, and here it is a space between one pad to another pad. Another one is here. Okay, this is the main area. The yellow color region is named as a skill screen. Before that I early you teach that what is mean by skill screen. Okay, these like that we have a n more number of components. Okay, like that we are also want to create that create for the QFN. Okay, QFN is nothing but quad flat no lid. Okay, Shankar, you can understand how to create you have the basic idea of creating a footprint in a footprint complaint wizard. Shankar, okay, no issue. Let us see how to create a footprint for the dual inline package. Dual inline package is nothing but Shankar, you can see Shankar, you have involved in any projects like laboratory assignments like that and all, lab practical.
சார் புரியலைங்க.
நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த காலேஜஸில் லேப்லாம் அட்டன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? BEEE லேபு.
சார் கேட்குதுங்களா?
கேட்குதா உங்களுக்கு? சங்கர், இப்போ உங்களுக்கு கேட்குதா?
கேட்குதுங்க சார்.
நீங்கள் இப்போது எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்பர் 1, 2, 3 அந்த மாதிரி முடிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? இது
3 முக்கால்வாசி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
இல்லை ப்ராக்டிக்கல் நான் சொல்கிறேன். அது BEEE ஐசிஸ் பார்த்துருக்கீங்கல்ல?
ஆமாங்க.
ஐசி, அந்த ஐசிக்கு வந்து இப்போ நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? நான் சொல்ல கூட பண்ணுங்க பிகாஸ்
ஆ
ஸ்க்ரீன் வந்து ஷேர் ஆகலை அது இந்த இடத்துல ஷேர் ஆகுது பட் என்டையராக பண்ணுறப்போ தெர் இஸ் சம் எரர் டு மீ ஸோ ஒன்லி entering this okay first of all we would select one IC okay in that IC okay now it's visible okay here DIP chips part number okay DIP you can understand what is meant by DIP dual inline package okay let us take that it is a 39 okay once you can enter that you want to see that digi key yeah digi key okay then you want to enter that digi key then you want to paste that part number okay part number is most important thing for designing okay there is DIP okay dual inline package but dual inline package is not here okay dual inline package is only a inline package okay dual inline package consists of 14 pins now switches position switch okay let us have that okay which means DIP can stop okay P and once you get that digi key is the most important thing okay without digi key you can't able to guys here you can see that yeah which means dual inline package okay okay guys so it is another one example for the dual inline package yeah for your understanding only I am searching for the different types of chips okay if you want exact pin means please enter the part number here and you can get that here okay here guys we can in this chip we have the 14 pin IC okay okay it is a 14 pin IC let us enter to the data sheet okay data sheet shows that what are the position and how it can be created okay here it is a data sheet where which consists of 14 pins yeah it is a 14 pins what are the pins are here okay what are the pins and which pins are used for which type okay okay and guys in the Texas Instrument is one of the famous organization company for the data sheet providing okay for the entire components okay it is the best one here it is an index table of content if you want a pin configuration means once you click means the pin configuration will be shown okay it is a pin configuration okay let us see tomorrow what is how to be check and place the pin configuration to the board okay yeah guys we these type of package only we want to show but here the it is a two type okay 17 pin and this is another one okay there is a no need for that. Okay, once you get entered into the index. Okay, what type is we know means here is a specification, here rating, parameters and measurement information, then it's a layout, another it's a power supply, mechanical is a no, guidelines or layout explanation. Okay, application and implementation, these are the main parameters. Okay, here we mention the parameters and instrumentation. Okay, it is no need. Other than that, let us have a exact mechanical input for the chip. Okay, how to input? Yeah, we entered it. Yeah, okay, here it is. Yeah, guys, here you can visible Shankar, you can visible it.
கேக்குதுங்க சார்.
இப்போ அதே மாதிரி டூல்ஸில் போய் ஃபுட் பிரிண்ட் விசார்டில் ஃபுட் பிரிண்ட் விசார்ட் ஐபிசி அந்த நான் போன டைம் சொன்னேன்ல அதிலே ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. ஓகேவா?
ஓகேங்க சார்.
ஓகே கைஸ், let us also get in touch. Okay, okay, I will open my Altium and I go to the projects, new project, PCB library. Okay, once I want to enter the PCB library means the new tab will open. Go to the tools, second one IPC compliant or normal. Once you went to the normal footprint wizard, if there is a no package dual inline means if there is a dual inline we can go with that. Yeah, guys, you can see that dual inline package is here itself. Okay, then click the dual inline package and please set the value, set a unit. Okay, please enter into mils. Okay, not mils, it's defaultly in mils, we want to change it as a mm. Okay, the mm is here, I want to place next. Okay, next means here. Okay, in this it is a dual inline package consists of through holes. Okay, but the data sheet consists of pads. Okay, so in order to avoid that we want to change that, it is a SMD. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, here you can see that. Yeah, okay, guys. Yeah, I am searching for this only. Okay, these chip consist of in two packages. Okay, the two packages is nothing but one is DIP, another one is SOP. SOP is a small outline package, but we want only a which means DIP. Okay, DIP is a dual inline package. Okay, once again, guys. Papa, sound korchuko. Which means here we have a components pin. Okay, guys, in previous classes I will told you that what the diameter is most important for the through hole components, because here there is a diameter. Okay, the diameter of the pin is the pin is up to 0.2 to 0.36. Okay, the width diameter. So let us also implement that inner hole diameter, which means the inner hole diameter is 0. Guys, sorry guys, I have to confirm that. We want to give the maximum size. Okay, it's a 0.36. Okay, the whole pin size is 0.36. 0.36. Okay, okay, at the same time the total pad diameter, we want to know that. Okay, pad diameter. Yeah, guys, this is the pads diameter. Pads is nothing but here. At the same time, we can able to have a hole diameter also. Okay, here the hole diameter is inner hole diameter is 0.39 for the 14. Okay, we want to change that 0.39. Why it's a 0.39 means it is for the, if the pin size is 3.6, 0.36, the hole also 3.6, it's not able to insert. In case we have additionally give the 0.03 mm means it should be easily inserted. So only we have give the extra additional things. Okay, the outer circle, which means the outer pad length is 0. Hole is okay, guys, wait. The spacing between the two is 1 into 1, or spacing is 2.54. It is not 2.54 because while we giving the 2.54 mm means it should be a big pin. Okay, in order to avoid that, here here it is detailing mentioned that 0.1 mm. Okay, 0.1 is a spacing here, 0.1 or 2.54. 2.54 is a mm, 100 is a mil sizing. So okay, it is nothing but the outer layer, the outer diameter is denoted as a once again based on the pad you have to set the outer diameter also. Okay, inner is 0.39. Okay, the pin size is enough. The pad should be consist of what, 1. Okay, the pad value is 1, I think so. Yeah, sorry guys, it is clearly mentioned that the area, which means the pad is here, blue color area, it is denoted as a in radius it is denoted as a 0.63, but in here it is a 1.6. Okay, and mention that 1.6. 1.6 means we want to enter that it is a in radius we want to mention that 0.06. Okay, one second guys, I want to here in mm. Okay, in mm 0.039. Okay, it is a not 0.039. We want to enter this 1. Okay, here 1 means in the outer region it is denoted as a 1.6. Okay, it is nothing but the plates which is known as 1.6. 1.6. Guys, you want to note that the circle is in all shape, it is not a oval shape, so we want to provide that width and length as a 1.6. Okay, 1.6, and here also it is a 1.6. Here also it is a 1.6. 1.6. Okay, the inner diameter is 1 mm, the outer diameter is 1.6. Okay, there is no other extra things here. Okay, because it is a dual inline package, so you want to place in the through the hole. Okay, okay, you want to place the next. Okay, next means here we can see that what is the spacing between pin to pin. Yeah, it means here. Okay, the spacing is up to 7.36 mm. Okay, 7.62 mm. Please enter that. The pin to is 7.62 mm. 7.62 mm is differently. The pitch is up to 1. I think so 1, but here the pitch is 2.54. Okay, the pitch is up to 2.54. 2.5 is defaultly in here, but 2.54 54 mm. Okay, next, please be next. Okay, the skill screen is also be next. Okay, sorry, the screen is not displaying. Here also the number of pins we want to add. Okay, Shankar, you want to add that how many number of pins. Okay, it is a must for a footprint creation. Shankar, don't worry, I will share you the creation of the footprint. Okay, it is a basic. You have created the first SOT is a basic. Other than that, you easily created the further footprints. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once you have entered the 14, there is a 7 in the each side. You can see in the board. Okay. Please
Okay.
next, DIP 14. What do you want to name? If you want to name that it is a DIP 14 because it is a dual inline package and it is a 14 pin. So we have named as a okay. Guys, now we get finished means the entire component should be visible. Okay. Yeah. This is the footprint. Okay. Guys, once again, I will share my screen for Shankar. Shankar, you can see that? Yeah, it is a dual inline package which has a 14 pins. Yeah, in the 14 pins in the 7 pins in the left and 7 pin in the right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By this way you can see. Okay, view. Once you get view, if you want a 3D view, please here. It is a 3D. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. In 3D you can see that, but I can't able to rotate it. Okay. There is no issue. Once you enter in the board or importing, if you are importing means okay, you can able to move that footprint, but if you moving means the shape does not the component can't able to be placed in the exact side. Okay, view
Okay.
view 2D. Okay, it is a 2D. Okay, up to
Okay.
this today's class, guys, because tomorrow we can see that what is quad. Quad means you know that in processor we can use to design square shape chips. Yeah, square shape chips is nothing but how the component get be that is not like that. If the mobile phone processor or and all, it has an 4 side pins, yeah, in square shape, which is placed in the PCB. Like that and all, some other ball grid array, quad flat pins, no pins and all. Different types of footprints are teached by further classes. Okay, because guys, why I am teaching the footprint creation means simple creation is easy. Okay, guys, you can able to done a simple creation, yeah, right? But in simple creation, also there is a sum of the tactics. Tactic is nothing but a shortcuts to create a and big size symbols. Okay. And additionally, you want to create a pin properties in symbols also. These are the basic things which are struggled you during the further classes. Okay. Further classes in not further classes. With these kind of things you have to be learned from the starting itself. In case you have want to create you are can't able to suppose to import the component from Google to PCB Altium means on the time you are facing some of the issue. In case you are in an interview, okay, you are in an interview for a PCB design. In the time the the person who are monitoring you should tell you to create some of the local LED circuits or any other, okay, which is similar. But on the time that circuit consists of some DIP, which is a dual inline package, or SMD, or a QFN, QFP, or a ball grid array chips. Okay, on the time you have can't able to import the symbol means on the time you want to draw the PCB footprint. Okay, so on that cases you want to know how to draw. Okay, this is a mandatory one. We can't always depend on the importing only. Okay, okay guys, thank you. For this why I am teaching you means there is a position in the PCB area, which means a library engineer. Okay, the only purpose of the library engineer is to create different types of components footprints. Okay, developing a library means nothing but libraries is a consist of a group of footprints or a group of symbols. Okay, so there is a many techniques and methods are there. Okay, let us see in further classes. Shankar, you have any other doubts?
இப்போதைக்கு எதுவும் இல்லைங்க சார்.
ஓகே, அதாவது எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்குல்ல?
இருக்குங்க சார்.
ஓகே, நீங்கள் எதுவும் கேட்டீங்களே டவுட்டு?
ஆ
சங்கர், அது ஒன்றும்
அதான்.
இல்லை சங்கர். நீங்கள் இப்போ வந்து எல்லா ப்ராஜெக்ட்டையும் டெலீட் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகேவா? நீங்கள் ஒரு
ஓகே.
டெஸ்க்டாப்பில் ஒரு ஃபைல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
ஓகே.
டெஸ்க்டாப்பில் ஒரு ஃபோல்டர் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி அதில் வந்து ஐடிஎம் இல்லாட்டி உங்களோட ப்ராஜெக்ட் இப்போ நீங்கள் இதில் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ண போகிறீங்க அப்படின்னா டே 1 அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒன்று போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? அதை போட்டுட்டு
ஓகே.
நீங்கள் ஃபைல் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் தெரியுமா இந்த இடத்துல ஃபைல்
ஆமாங்க.
கோ ஃபைல் நியூ ப்ராஜெக்ட்
ஆமாம்.
அப்படி அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் போனப்போ எந்த இடத்துல சேவ் பண்ணணும்னு கேட்கும். அப்போ வந்து அந்த ஃபோல்டர் கொடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா
ஓ.
அந்த இடத்துல ஸ்டோர் ஆகிடும். இப்போ நீங்கள் புதுசாக வந்தாலும்
ஓகே.
ஃபைல் போயிட்டு ஃபைலு
ஆ
ஓப்பன் போயிட்டு நீங்கள் ஓப்பனில் வந்து அந்த ஃபைல் எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
அதான்
ஓகேவா?
முதல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல எம்டி ஃபைலை
ஹியர்
சேவ்
இப்போ
பண்ணி
இருக்கா?
ஃபோல்டரை கிரியேட் பண்ணி
ஆ
டெஸ்க்டாப்பில் போட்டு வச்சுட்டு.
இப்போ இருக்கா? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு இருக்கா?
ஆமாம்.
இந்த இடத்துல வந்து நீங்கள் என்னென்ன வேணுமோ எல்லாம் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா?
ஓகே.
எல்லாம்
ஓகேங்க சார்.
வச்சுக்கலாம். அதே தான், நோ இஷ்யூ. இப்போ நீங்கள் அந்த ஃபோல்டரை தொட்டு உங்களோட ப்ராஜெக்டை தொட்டு ஓப்பன் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் பண்ணதெல்லாம் வந்து ஓகேவா?
ஓகே. ஓகே.
ஓகே ஓகே சார். வேறு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு?
இல்லைங்க சார்.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ. டுடே கிளாஸ் வாங்கிட்டு